guys, what's going on? My name is Josh and welcome back to a new video where today I'm going to be teaching you guys my quickest method to make over $10,000 per month on ClickBank in 2021. This method is just insane and it's just completely overpowered and I just don't know how it's just allowed. Just stay to the end, boys, because you're still going to make some money. But before we get into the video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This helps me out so much. And yeah, boys, so in this video I'm going to go completely from step 1 and then I'll go on to show you guys how you can make over 5 figures in your first month per month using ClickBank. So yeah, boys, without further ado, let's hop onto the computer. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm just on my computer here. What you want to start off by doing is just searching ClickBank. Once again, I'm going to be leaving links to everything in the description just to save you a bit of time. So yeah, you want to click on the top one here, clickbank.com. You just want to ignore anything like this and just go straight up to sign up. So yeah, next you just want to pick your country, obviously, so I'm from the United Kingdom. Once you've entered all your details, you just want to come down to continue the terms and conditions. You just want to click that, click go at the bottom, accept terms and conditions, and click join ClickBank. Now this obviously you don't have to do because you're getting a free course right here, and then here just click no thanks. Once you're here, you just want to go to complete my profile, and as you can see here, it just wants a bit more information, so I'm just going to quickly fill this in and I'll be right back. So as you can see, blurred out, I've entered all my information. You just want to click save. Then what you want to do is just click these 3 dots up here, and then we just want to go down to affiliate marketplace. And as you can see, we're brought to a much more simplistic page, and more importantly, there are a lot of categories. Now this essentially is just an index of affiliate marketing links. So for example, if I was a gaming YouTuber and I want to sell some gaming related stuff, I'd click games, and as you can see, these are all affiliate programs that you can partake in. And obviously if you get sales, it all refers back to your ClickBank account, all in one little hub. This makes it so much easier as opposed to getting in contact with loads of different sites, in some cases even being put on a waiting list, which obviously just no one wants to do. Now if we have a look here, there are a few important details that you want to pay attention to. So as you can see, it says average conversion. This is literally just the average conversion. Everyone knows what this means. If you don't, check my video in the description. But the most important thing you want to pay attention to here is this sneaky little part called grav. Now this literally just means gravity. This shows essentially how well the product is selling. So for these top ones, as you can see, that is very, very low. But if we go to a different topic, for example, e-business and e-marketing, as you can see, the grav is 158, 95, 107, 96. And even prior to the method I'm going to show you in this video, it's literally as simple as setting up a couple of Instagram accounts, resharing some winning content, basing them off a couple of these good topics. For example, some that I like to do are travel, spirituality, obviously e-business and e-marketing, home and garden's very good, health and fitness is excellent. Reason being, literally just put yourself in the perspective of a buyer. Put yourself in the perspective of a person who's scrolling through an app, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and just think what's going to catch your eye, what's going to make you want to buy something. And I think you'd be lying if you said you haven't saw a Wish product that's caught your eye. This is a very good example of how social media can play a big part in getting sales. But obviously, yes, this can take time and it's not guaranteed that you're going to get the sales. But in today's video, that's going to change. In my opinion, this method I'm about to show you guys is the single-handedly best way to invest your money if you want to maximize your incomes and do so very quickly. But yeah, as you can see, each of these have an affiliate page. A lot of these even have videos, photos, and just things you can use to promote these products or services. I mean, look how much information is on this page. It's literally phenomenal. You can take just rubbish text like this and turn it into a document and just put it out. Now, although this seems complicating, this is actually very, very simple. It's literally just copy and pasting information. So yeah, you've got your account set up and now you want to make some money. So what you want to do next is head over to Fiverr. And as you can see, this is probably a familiar site. If you haven't heard of Fiverr, it's literally just one of the biggest freelance programs, very similar to Upwork if you've heard of that. And as you can see, people sell services like graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation. And I've actually got a video talking about Fiverr. So before I move on to the next step, I just want to say that I'm so surprised not more people do this, because in contrast to some of the other methods I've went over for ClickBank affiliate marketing, honestly, this is so underrated. So what you want to do is just search ClickBank. It's literally just as simple as that. And if you scroll down here, as you can see, I will build an autopilot ClickBank affiliate marketing sales funnel. I will build a ClickBank affiliate marketing website to promote ClickBank, etc, etc. This is literally a goldmine of investment opportunity. And 90% of these will even start getting sales for you. That's right, whether they make the account for you or you give them your fresh account. In most cases, when they give you the account back, they would have already started getting sales for you. And even better, a lot of people have refund guarantees. These obviously regard if you don't get a sale within a certain amount of time, we can give you a full refund. So this literally just adds more confidence and assurance to the process of ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now I'd love to say a lot more, but this is literally as simple as this method is. As you guys have saw how easy it is to do this regularly, this literally just comes straight in on top of that and just makes regular ClickBank affiliate marketing pretty unnecessary. And hey, if you even want, you can combine multiple of the methods that I've went through on my channel. This obviously once again is just another step that you can do to help maximize your incomes. And as you know, I normally don't cover methods that are paid because I myself have been in the predicament in the past of wanting to make money, literally being in the mindset of wanting wanting to invest but having no money in the first place and wanting to start something from nothing. And if that's still the case for you, then you're 100% welcome to go check out those other videos. But hey, look at the prices here. One of them might be £150, and then the next one might be £7.59, £26, £72, £22, £7.59. As you can see, there is such a variety. It's obviously up to you to go and do a bit of research and base your investment off of what looks the best at that time. But I mean, look at this. All the best ranked ones are in the first page, and these are all sellers who have got good ratings. A bit of advice from me is to go obviously for someone with a high rating, but more importantly, someone who's had a lot of rating. Because a method a lot of these starter sellers do, and a method that I've actually went through on a video, is that they'll set up the account, post a couple of services, and then make a few more accounts or even ask family members or friends to buy them and leave reviews. Obviously then they can retrieve the money and have positive reviews and thus be ranked higher. This gives people an advantage, but in most cases they only do a couple of these reviews, because if you went from no reviews at all to 2 5-star reviews, for example, that would mean you've got 100% 5-star reviews, which is obviously easy to finesse. So yeah, just make sure you stick to the ones with high reviews, high amounts of reviews, and just use your mind. Have a good read, dedicate some time to this. And hey, even if you don't have time, dedicate 2 minutes to this, 10 minutes to this, and more importantly, as little as like $2 to this. Like, it's so cheap. This is literally pocket money, and you can turn it into a full business. Obviously, I've showed you guys how to set up a site yourself, but I'd say a good 60% of these people will even set it up for you. So you literally don't even have to do that. You can just sit back and watch. And this is also going to teach you so much more information that, hey, you could even set up one of these yourself in the future. This is why I say from one of these methods, you can just spiral out and just have so many more opportunities and just so much more money to be made. Alright guys, so that's about it for today's video. If you enjoyed, drop a big like. Once again, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to drop a sub. Yeah guys, until next time, peace out.